There's growing concern about the future of the Edinburgh Tram project amongst a number of pressure groups and businesses. They're concerned with reports that the route may only run from the airport to Haymarket. They're worried, for example, about the impact this will have on the environment.
We've got very demanding climate change targets. Transport is the one area where climate change emissions are going in the wrong direction. Transport emissions are still going up. So we need to invest in modern public transport systems such as trams, electrically powered trams, to help us get on the right track with those global emissions. But also in local terms, we've got local air quality to consider, and the city centres in particular, I think we all understand, are choked with traffic, choked with cars, lorries and emissions which are damaging to public health. So again, if we can have a transport system electrically powered as trams are, which will generate no emissions through the city centre, that will help with local air quality.
Some local businesses too say that problems with the development of the trams means that it's had a negative impact on property prices, for instance.
In the context as a lawyer working in Edinburgh, we have clients who are constantly asking about it and discussing the benefits to them of moving to areas where there is going to be a modern tramway system. We're buying and selling houses. We have bought houses for people who've been particularly impressed with the prospect of a modern transport route to particularly Leith and on towards Newhaven, and that has been one of the key things when they've been deciding which areas to move to, that there will be that network.
The council has an aspiration to build a town the size of Falkirk down at the waterfront, and that's sustainable rather than having people commute from 20, 30, 40, 50 miles away. It's much better if people live inside the city, pay their council tax in the city and contribute to the life of the city all through the day. And to allow all these people down at the waterfront to travel about the city, into the city centre, through to the west, a tram system is going to be much better than using buses. As we already know, Princes Street is quite clogged with buses. If we were going to transport all these 40,000 extra people, then frankly the whole of Princes Street, the whole of Leith Walk would be clogged, and you'd probably be quicker walking on the tops of these buses as they get clogged up going down the arterial roads.
They're waiting to hear what will happen now, following the elections to the Scottish Parliament.